So probably many of you using custom-based Android software on your Android smartphones, MIUI on Xiaomi, ColorOS on Oppo and Realme, and many more. And many of you don't like this UI, as this UI make your Android smartphone very slow. And most of you wants to change your Android smartphone into stock Android or Pixel look. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your any Android smartphone into a stock Android or Pixel look. So this is the video for you guys.
So here it is, my 2 or 3 years old Vivo Y1 smartphone. It has 1 GB of RAM and unnamed quad-core processor, and it runs on Android 5 Lollipop. So yes, as you can see, it is pretty old, and now I'm going to change its software to stock Androids. So all you have to download the Nova launcher, which is freely available on the Play Store. Like this, I've already downloaded. Let's open this. According to your needs, set up this launcher. So here you can see we have got the app drawer too. Now it's fully the stock Android, but the notification bar is not changes. And if you want to change this notification bar too, then you can also download this kind of apps such as PowerSheet notification. But I am not recommending you to download such apps, because many of these apps are very buggy and they don't work properly, and it might leak your data too. So please download at your own risk, and I'm not promoting to download such apps. I'm not promoting any apps here, so it's all up to you guys. So after opening this app, you can see we have get the notification bar just like the stock Android. But again guys, I think Nova Launcher is sufficient to get the stock Android feel. I don't think any other apps are needed to get you the stock Android feel. So guys, that's it for this video guys.
So guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to like this video, share this video, and please subscribe this channel. Come on buddy, spread some love. And this is my first English tech video guys. I really want to know your thoughts about this video. So please drop down in the comments. I really want to know what you're thinking about this video. So thanks for watching this video. I am Samar from Adwani Techfield, and yeah, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and catch you in the next one.